And I want to show you how you all look like beautiful stars tonight.
Just let yourself, baby. Fingernails so silky smooth. Just let it shine through. Just let yourself.
Soulmatic, the soul within. Build it up. Climatic is the purpose in you. The equation breakthrough. It equals, imbues everything you've been through. Life's roller coaster brought feelings and stress. Take you for a ride that you're trying to express. Explain all scenarios play out in your brain. Look in the mirror, no fear, no fear. Mouth moves to ear to ear. Shout out the words that make you smile, revere. Hold you close to thee, you're always in the heart. And no matter how far you got, you're never apart. Your love tops the charts, the #1 spot. Just request it over and over. And don't stop, please understand. Be your #1 fan, it'll protect you from danger and harm like a Superman. Just let it shine through.
Just let yourself.
Feel it all so silky smooth. Just give yourself a minute when you think about it. The time you spared, vulnerability shared, where they met with absolute care.
And look at the shine.
Your essence shines bright like the night, like a light, like a flare. Came from here, made it to there, that's something to share. And something not missed, like a shooting star wish. All the smiles, all the laughs, all the good times you had. Makes you understand your love is not a fad. It's something much more to feel it in your core. Uplifting yours, something that's never a chore for the one that you adore. And that's you, so I leave you with this. My lyrics are a list and a mix, composed to bring your soul, cherish clicks. 86 what I flicks, cherish with the mirror depicts. Now take a pick, and that's Soulmatic. I woke up early, it's a new day, amazing, it's a blessing, the lesson of adolescence, leave my body with no stressing, the hand of God taken, navigating this divine intervention, with intention, sending morning meditations, reflections, they beckon, clear the mind of trepidation, my physical frame is celebrating cause I made it. Your physical frame can celebrate cause you made it, cause you made it, cause you made it.
Listen man, representing the Soulmatic.